Have you ever wished that you could turn your skills into an exciting online business? Online courses are booming, and you have the potential to become a successful online instructor. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make online courses and how to make money with them effectively. So let's jump right into it. Why sell online courses? Well, my friend, it's the smart way to earn. Literally, you can create and sell your courses from anywhere, from your favorite cafe, the beach, or your cozy couch. Online courses give you the freedom to be your own boss and set your own schedule. Share your knowledge with a massive audience and watch your impact and your income grow exponentially. The great thing about this form of business is that it will generate you passive income. Just imagine waking up to money in your inbox even when you're not actively working. That's the beauty of passive income. Once you create your course, it can keep generating sales for months or even years to come. So the motto here is do what you love and get paid for it. Online courses allow you to share your expertise and passion with others. Not only will you earn money, but you'll also be making a difference in people's lives. It's a win-win situation indeed. Now, you may think that making and selling your online class is hard, but it doesn't have to be. Let me help you understand the process and give you simple steps to follow. Start by picking a topic you know well and that others will want to learn. Something that you're really good at and something that you know a lot about. Think about what you're good at and what special skills or knowledge you have that people would pay for. So after picking a topic, it's time to look into what people want to learn and what other classes are already out there. This helps you figure out how to make your class special. You also need to know who will want to take your class and what they're looking for. Then you need to start creating your training program. You need a reliable video editor. You need a course recorder, screen recorder for example. You need to set up lighting. You need some equipment, you need to write scripts, all this to make high quality video content. An all-in-one solution for recording videos that can help you with these tasks is the Wondershare UniConverter. With the UniConverter, you can easily record your classes, add subtitles to them, or edit the recorded video as well. Let me show you how to record your online classes. It's a very simple process and very easy. First, obviously you need to grab the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. It's available both for Mac and for Windows. Then open it up and you'll find the screen recorder tool on the home interface. Click on the screen recorder icon and launch the screen recorder. Now here, set up the area that you need to record. You can also choose from one of the presets or type the aspect ratio with numbers right over here. I think it's best to choose the full screen mode. Then here you can select whether or not to record system audio, and here you can connect an external microphone. Audio quality is really important, more important than video quality. Then if you want to grab your viewers' attention and make your classes more attractive, you can activate the picture-in-picture mode. In this case, you can see yourself as you record a desktop screen. Now within the advanced settings, you have a bunch of other things to work with. You can set up a timer, but most of the cases you won't need that when it comes to online classes. You can set up whether or not the mouse clicks should be visible. Then after you're all set, click on the big rec button. After a few seconds, the recording will begin. Now while recording, you can click the camera icon here to take screenshots. And then if you click right over here, you can use these tools to draw on the screen, write on the screen, use different shapes for your explanation. These things will be visible on your recording and you can delete them anytime. And when you're done, just press the stop button to finish the recording session. It will take you back to the finish tab and you will immediately see your recorded video. So after you have recorded, you can trim the video within the UniConverter. Just click on this button here with the 3 dots and take it into the video editor. Here you can trim it, you can crop, you can color grade, you name it. After that, you can import it into the subtitle editor and generate subtitles for it automatically. I'm not gonna go over the whole process. You can check out this video right over here to see how to create subtitles with the UniConverter. And now that you're all finished with your course, it's time to set up a fee for your courses. Think about the value of your course compared to what other businesses charge for courses that are similar to yours. And the very last stage is to advertise and sell your training program. I think a great option is to create little trailers for your course and upload it on YouTube or on social media and make people be interested in your course so they could go to the official course site that you have and purchase the entire course. Alternatively, you can run Facebook or Instagram ads as well, or even YouTube ads. So when it comes to making money with your course, you can obviously upload it on YouTube. And after a while, if you have enough subscribers and views, you can join the YouTube partnership program and make money with it. But obviously that takes time, so if you want to start selling your course immediately, you can sell your online courses on online learning portals such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. These are the most popular platforms to sell any courses. These platforms are also very easy to use and well known worldwide as well. Now, before I finish today's video, I want to give you a few tips. So you need to ensure that your course is useful to people. You can increase the value of your courses by providing supplement materials, for example, such as assignments, quizzes, and certifications to your students. Don't forget to focus on your audio and video quality. It is of the utmost importance to have high audio and video quality, since this affects the learner's experience. So I hope today's video will help you enough to make classes on your own and you will start turning your knowledge into a business. So if it helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also comment down below your thoughts on today's topic. And if you have any requests, also leave those in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.